Hi! In front of me is HONOE 17 and today I would like to show you how you can access all your downloads on this device. First of all, you need to find an app called Files. When you find it, click on it. Then select the Browse section over here at the bottom right corner if it's not already on, and tap on Phone. Now look for download folder, and when you find it, tap on it. As you can see, all my downloads are over here. In order to access one, just click on it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!